Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm not at a new job site today. Plans got switched again, so I should be there tomorrow, unless something else comes up. But today we worked on the pole lights, as you can see right here. They look like 20 footers or something. So I was working on putting those together, and the other guys were running around putting them on the, standing them up. So I'll try to throw a clip of that in. Everyone say bye, kids. Yeet. Just over here building some lights, putting these bad boys together. Got, I think there was 11 of them, so there's another one right there, another one right there, another one right there. Out in the sun again all day for about 8 hours, so I'll probably get sunburned, but I'm not sure. So he's working on that one right there. And then I put these two together. As you can see, they got the little base plate and then the little cover plate on the side. Here's another one. And then the last one I think is right there, so. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did not almost just rear end someone right now. So that's great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's supposed to be the new job tomorrow, as I said, but we'll see again. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, so I was super appreciative of that. As you know, I will be shaving my beard at 1,000 subscribers and doing a giveaway of more electrical tools. If you enjoyed the video, drop it a like, I'd appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. I've also decided, spur of the moment, I'm gonna go get another Slurpee because I feel like it. I'm working hard and it's hot outside and they taste delicious, so we're going to get one right now. And if you guys wouldn't mind dropping a comment down below, I'd appreciate it. I've been a little bit lonely lately, getting tons of views, hundreds of views, but I miss you guys in the comments, so drop me a comment if there's something you enjoyed about the video, something you want to see. Still need to try to make that other video for that one guy who wants some tips as the first day as an apprentice, so I will try to get that out today. I have been busy, there's traffic noises, so leave me a comment, I'd really appreciate it, it'll help me out. Thanks guys, see you after the Slurpee. Alright guys, here's the Slurpee. Hope you guys have a chill rest of your day. Later.